Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's gonna be a video on a hack on how to wash your beauty blenders or sponge or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, my beauty blender is very dirty and nasty. I've been using it, and I've been waiting to wash it, but I just haven't got around to it. So the only ingredients that you will need for this is some soap. Any kind of soap will work, and a cup, a bowl, anything like this. I'm using a measuring cup. So you're gonna put the sponge in the measuring cup, put some water in it, and put a little bit of soap in it. Fill the bath with bubbles, then I'll put the towels all away. Y'all, do y'all see all that nasty stuff that's coming out that sponge? Yes, girl, we gotta get that clean. So you want to put the concoction that you made in the microwave for a minute. But I know you'll get out the minute. So, in the end, I believe that this hack is not that useful if your sponge is very dirty. It might work better if your sponge is less dirty, but mine was very dirty, so might as well just buy a new one. And this is the Real Technique sponge. It's only $5 in Walmart. If you like this video, click the subscribe button, like and comment and share. Thank you. I feel it coming up.